Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to crochet a very simple bandana. Let's get right into the video. I'm using this acrylic yarn. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, scissors. I'm using two colors for this bandana, this crochet scarf bandana. And you can do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section. I did a magic circle, a magic ring, and I'm going to chain 3. The chain 3 counts as my first double crochet. Now back into the chain, I'm going to do 2 double crochets because I need 3 clusters of 3 double crochet. So I'll do 2 double crochet with the chain 3, making 3 double crochet. So after 3 double crochet there, I'm going to chain 1, go back into that same space and do 3 double crochet. Again, another 3 clusters of 3 double crochet. So now I'm going to pull my magic ring tight. I pull the yarn tight. For the next step, I'm going to start with a chain 3. Chain 3 counts as our first, it's the first double crochet. Now I go back into the next stitch next to it. Right there in that stitch, I'm going to do 2 double crochet, making 3 double crochet into that stitch. And now I just go right on top of the magic circle. That is the tip of the triangle. Then I'm going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet for the tip of the triangle. So now back into the chain 3 that I started with, the chain 3 space, you go back into the chain 3 space and do 3 double crochet. I'm going to be changing my color, the yarn. I'm going to be changing the color of the yarn every 2 rows. So this is the second row. I'm going to chain 1 now, cut off my work, and change to the next color. So now if you prefer to continue with one color, you can just go ahead. You don't need to do the slip stitch and change it into the next color. If you want to do this in just the whole scarf in one color, you can just go ahead. To change color, I'm going to start with a slip knot and going to insert my new color in and start with a chain of 3. Chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, and back into that same stitch, the first stitch on that side. I'm going to turn the work around. Do not forget to always turn your work around when you're working into the stitch. After I chain 3, I turn my work around, go back into the first stitch on the corner and do 2 double crochet. Sorry, so we have 3 double crochets there. So I go back into you should try to carry your yarn along if you're changing color like me. So you should carry your work around so you can always carry your work around so you do not always have to weave it in, and you can weave it in if it's much easier for you. So we go back into the next space and do 3 double crochet. So back on top of the tip of the triangle, I'm going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Like me, I leave a lot of yarn at the tip of my once I slip stitch, so you can always weave it in. So we have 3 double crochet there, chain 1, back into the same space, 3 double crochet. So into every space we just do 3 double crochet. It's more of like a traditional granny square stitch for this scarf. So back into the next space, I'm going to do 3 double crochet. So I'm going to work 3 double crochet. Do not always forget to work 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space where we started from. You have to always work 3 double crochet there in that last corner. So after 3 double crochet here, I'm going to chain 3, turn my work around, and we are going to do 2 rows of this color and 2 rows of the orange color. Back into these into the first stitch there where I did my chain 3, go back into that same space and into the same stitch and do 2 double crochet. So we're just going to keep repeating this. Is a repeat row pattern, and into every space you're going to do 3 double crochet. When you get to the tip of the triangle, you do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and I'm going to meet you at the end of this row. So into every space we'll do 3 double crochet. Do not forget to do a 3 double crochet into the last corner of the chain 3 where you started from, and I'm just going to keep repeating this until I have a row of 16. I will do 16 rows of this. So I have 16 rows here for the bandana. We're almost done. And now for the next for the next step is to make the scallop for the bandana scarf. And to make a scallop, once you finish your last row of the 3 double crochet cluster, you do not cut off your yarn. So what I'm going to do is back into that space, into that stitch, back into the stitch where I ended the 3 double crochet. I go back into that stitch and do a single crochet. I do a single crochet, then I'm going to yarn over into the next space. Into the space there we're going to do 7 double crochet. So what we are going to be doing now is 7 double crochet into the next space, then to the next space 1 single crochet, and this is for making the scallop for the scarf. So I'm done with 7 double crochet there. Into the next space I'm going to do 1 single crochet. Now into the next space 7 double crochet. So we'll do this all around, but I'll meet you at the edge of the tip of the triangle. I'm going to meet you down there to show you what to do. So after my last 7 double crochet, right there on the tip, into the chain 1 space on the tip of the triangle, I go into that space and do 1 single crochet as usual. Now I'm going to do a picot here instead of doing 7 clusters, 7 double crochet. Yeah, so I'm going to do a picot. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. So I'm chaining 3, I chain 3. Now I go back into the single crochet stitch. Back into the single crochet stitch that we started with. I go in there and do a slip stitch. We do a slip stitch. into that. Then we'll continue. So from into the next space, we are going to do 1 single crochet. You're not going to do 7 clusters, so we're just going to do 1 single crochet. Back into the next space, it will be 7 double crochet. I hope I explained well. I'll meet you at the end of this row. So I've done my last 7 clusters. Into the chain 3 space we started with from the previous row, we'll go back in there and do a single crochet. We started with a single crochet, we're going to end with a single crochet. I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to fasten off. So for the next round, for the next step, we're going to be doing the strap and the single crochet across. For the strap, we're going to start with a slip knot and chain 60. You can make your chain more if you want to chain up to 70 to make the strap for the scarf longer, but I don't want it too long, so I want just 60. Yeah, I have 60 chain 60 already, so I'm going to attach the strap to the corner, so the first corner of the scarf, and I'm going to be doing it from the right side, so that's the wrong side, so just attach it from the right side. I guess it doesn't matter really whatever side you attach it from, but I'm attaching it from the right side. So what I'm going to do now is do a single crochet across as well, across the top of the scarf. So I have my chain 60 on the hook there, and I insert it into the corner. You can, as I did there, I'm starting it from that corner from the stitch, and without cutting off my yarn from my strap, I'm just going to use a single crochet there to secure the strap. So I go back into that place, into that same stitch, and do another single crochet to secure it properly. So once I've attached the strap, now the next thing to do is to make a single crochet across the top of the bandana. And to do that, just a single crochet stitch into every stitch. For the top of the stitch, you will notice that there is no straight stitch. Just go in there and just make a single crochet stitch and make it nicely as you can do it. If you have a bigger space, you can do like 3 single crochet into one space, and you can just go slowly and make a single crochet into every stitch there. Just pick up a stitch, just pick up 2 loops together across. So I've done a single crochet stitch across, as you can see. I'm done with my single crochet. So once I get to the last corner there, I go into the last stitch and finish off with enough single crochet, and make sure you are at the corner. So from there we are going to chain another 60 for the strap. So I'm done with the strap for the other side. So the thing I would do now is just chain 1 and fasten off right there on top of the strap, and we are done. And do not forget to weave in your yarn And I've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section, like and share my video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed the video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.